Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 2 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy. Take a look at these English sentences. My Chinese is good. I like eating rice. How do you say those in Chinese? Yes, 我的汉语很好。我喜欢吃米饭。Let's change them slightly. How do you say, my Chinese is best? I like eating rice the most. These sentences all express superlatives. When do you need to use this? Well, one scenario is, let's say you are in China for a long time and you need to eat some Western food that you're familiar with, but as you know, Western food in China is very expensive. Now you want to find the cheapest place to get Western food. Take, for example, the sentence, my Chinese is the best. To express the most, the best, we use the expression 最 plus an adjective. So good is 好, best is 最好. So the sentence will be 我的汉语最好。我的汉语最好。Another example, David's Chinese is the best. 大卫的汉语最好。大卫的汉语最好。Another example, in a sentence from the dialogue, which is talking about a cat, its eyes are the prettiest. 它的眼睛最漂亮。它的眼睛最漂亮。What's the adjective? Right, 漂亮。So to make it superlative, we add 最 in front. 最漂亮。她的眼睛最漂亮。Another example, when do we go? 我们什么时候去？ When is it best to go? 我们什么时候去最好？最好 expresses best. How do you say go to Beijing in September? Right, 9月去北京。And how do you say it's best to go to Beijing in September? 9月去北京最好。Now let's see this in real life.
我想去西安，一起去吧。
好。
你觉得什么时候去最好
？9月天气不冷不热，9月去最好。
我说什么了
？9月去最好。
How do you say I like eating rice? 我喜欢吃米饭，很好。I like eating rice the most. 我最喜欢吃米饭。Here we attach the word 最 in front of the verb. How do you say I like playing soccer? 我喜欢踢足球。And I like playing soccer the most is 我最喜欢踢足球。And that's everything. You can review the material from your textbook under Lesson 1, Notes number 2. If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK 2 video course. We teach you grammar and vocabulary with 75 videos as well as quizzes, interactive flashcards, and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK 2 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore. The first unit of each course is available as free preview. Just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Keep in mind that once you buy a course, you will have it forever. Say goodbye to monthly subscription fees. Buy once, enjoy forever, plain and simple. The pricing is very affordable. Join us on the way to Chinese mastery, and I'll see you in the course.